Let's see some of the code for the staircase problem. I'm going to use Emacs for this, just for fun. Maybe other times I'll use Dr. Racket, but this time Emacs. All right, let's go to the desktop and create a file called staircase.racket in Emacs. Now, a nice trick with Emacs is Control X plus. Control X plus makes my font bigger. You see? So now you don't have to struggle looking at it. I'm going to turn on parented. I'm going to turn on show parens. Okay, and of course I have to put the lang racket line. Okay, let's start with the literal recursion, just like the formula we had. Define G, N, and our initial conditions were like this. When N is 1, I return 1. When N is 2, I return 2. Two ways to do it when there's 2 steps. And in all other cases, I do the recursion. I go down by 1 step. I have to make my recursion end somehow. Here, go down by 2 steps. And there we go. Okay, great. Let's split the screen sideways. Very beautiful. And now load Racket. Just wait a minute. Okay, great. So we can now test our code. What is G10? 89 ways to climb that staircase. How about G30? Oh, forgot the G. Okay, G30. Yeah, big number. How about G40? Now you start to see the lag. Let's see how long that took. Time G40. About less than 2 seconds, but on my notebook computer, it takes more than 10 seconds. Great. Let's try the more efficient, iterative way. We're going to use state variables and looping with named let. Define GG and okay, let loop. I'm going to count upwards. Start with K is 1. I'm going to count all the way up to N. A begins at 1. The state variable B begins at 2. And now I have some condition. If my K has reached N, well, I stop. And as I showed before in the theory videos, the answer is an A. Otherwise, I call the loop again. All right. Increment K. And my new A is B. My new C. My new A is B. My new B is plus AB, like that. Great. Let's run this. Let's try it. GG 40. Instantaneous. I get the same answer. How much time did that take? As you can see, 0. Oh, how about GG 500? Yeah. So as you can see, it's much more efficient. Much more efficient. Why don't you go ahead and write the code for the case of 3 steps, which I covered in another video.